Will Brave be your next default browser? Let's check out in this video. We will analyze Brave as a browser for day-to-day use on Linux Mint 21.3. Let's start. Execute the following commands given below in description to install the Brave browser. It will take around 3 minutes depending upon your system. Type Brave browser in terminal or go to Start menu, then Internet section and search for Brave browser to launch the program, and wow, it's launched. It's really fast. Greeted by pretty default welcome screen followed by import settings screen where you can import bookmarks, extensions, and even passwords from Firefox or Chrome. Another feature is earn tokens for put ads, earn tokens for private ads. Let's check out how it works. To start using rewards, just click of the button, select the country, and you are all set. Now let's check the speed of browsing, where we will open GitHub, Wikipedia, Microsoft and Amazon websites. Personally, I want to check the speed and smoothness of animations at Microsoft.com, and it was fabulous. It even blocked 32 trackers as the pop-up flashed. Brave has inbuilt torrent download facility also. This is a nice feature. Now we will dive into extensions which are available at the Brave Web Store. Upon clicking it, it redirects to Chrome Web Store, but much more polished and arranged. We tried to change the theme and it was fabulous. There are a lot of performance tweaks under more option tools. Click memory saver feature and free memory for inactive tabs. tried to set appearance setting it crashed while using Qt under Theme Slate option and we were able to recreate it 3 times. So surely it's a bug. One more feature that's great is tab hover mode. Selecting cards with preview gives you memory usage statistics. Also there is another nice utility to customize fonts and shields. Privacy and security settings, or more or less same as Chrome Web 3 settings, are a new feature on any web browser. Search engine customization is easy and lots of search engines are available to choose. Overall, it's a nice experience with Brave. We don't know whether we will continue with as our de facto browser, but nevertheless, it's a worth try browser. What are your views about the Brave browser? Do let us know by commenting below. Until then, happy browsing.